In this video, I'm going to talk about Davinci Resolve interface. So this is just a brief tour of the interface. I'm not going to go through every detail, only for what's the most important stuff. And so yeah, let's jump right into this video. So what we have here first is media pool. This is, guys, where you can find your videos, where you can organize yourself. You can add power beans, smart beans. You can just create beans and folders and organize yourself. And this pretty much, when you import your video, you can right click and select here import media. You can also drag and drop. Just open your folder and drag your video here. That's another way. As you can see here, you can also just grab your video, hold control if you want to select multiple videos, and drag them to media pool. And from there, you can just grab your video onto the timeline. And yeah, that's just media pool. All right. Now, edit page here. That's the edit page. That's where you can edit your video. You can add and arrange clips. You can also add effects and transitions to your video in edit page. From effects here, you can add video effects. You can add audio effects. You can add titles. You can add some other, I think, very useful effects like some blur. So yeah, that's how from where you do it, from the edit page. Now we also have, guys, we have the color page, and here you can color correct and grade your footage. This is in the color page. And yeah, you can adjust the contrast, the balance. So yeah, that's the color page. Now this is a very, very powerful tool. It's been used for movies, that's a very powerful tool. I can't express enough how powerful this tool is. So yeah, professionals are using color page Davinci Resolve to correct movies. So yeah, it's very powerful. Now we also have Fairlight page. Now here in the Fairlight page, what you can do is just this is where you can edit and mix audio. So you can add effects to your audio. So you can also apply effects, adjust levels, add different effects. But you can also add some very, very, very simple effects from here. Select your audio, and then here you can change pitch, equalizer. But that's very simple compared with the Fairlight page, where you can do a lot of professional or very advanced stuff. Now, Fusion page, guys. Fusion page is where you can create visual effects and motion graphics. So you can create motion graphics, visual effects. But just remember, keep in mind, this node-based interface allows you to create very cool effects, but it's a node-based. It's not a layer-based. And that's the last one, is the delivery page. And here pretty much is where you can export your finished project. Just change the name here and add this video here. Select your location, and then just click on render, and you rendered your video with this settings here: resolution, frame rate. So yeah, that's where you export your finished project. Your project can choose your format, resolution. But now we also have here in edit page, for instance, we have the viewer. If you turn off or disable inspector, here you can see one. If you really see two, if you only want to see one viewer, just click on this button. And we also have the timeline here, and then That's at the bottom of the interface. It displays your sequence. You can drag and drop clips, and from the media pool onto the timeline. And that's pretty much when you edit your videos. You can, if you want to cut a video, just Control B. You can cut that video, or just press here, and now you can cut. Press here now to select. And now we also have inspector, which is this one here. Here, the inspector is located on the right hand side of the interface, and this it displays, guys, information about your selected video. Selected here video, and now I have information for this selected video. I can move this video, I can change stuff, and you can just adjust various things, as you can see here. Pitch, pretty cool, and very, I think it's pretty, helpful. Now we also have effects library, which is not media pool but effects, and here, guys, is located on the right hand side of the interface, as you can see. And this contains, guys, a wide range of effects and transitions you can apply to your videos, to your clips. And it's just a drag and drop. You can just drag and drop, add your effects. Now I added the blur. Now this video is blurred. And if you select the video, you can go here to effects, and you can change the blur. So that's kind of like the introduction, and that's just a brief overview, guys, of Davinci Resolve. I really hope, guys, you learned something and you found this video helpful. Thank you, guys, so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.